Hi, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and we're back to show you the Trout Menuire. We have actually seasoned the fish already with some fresh ground sea salt and some fresh ground black pepper. We did a light dust job on the island over there with just some all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to do these presentation side first, and the presentation side will actually be the flesh side, the skin side being the bottom. So I've got some clarified butter and a non-stick Teflon here, and we've got to sizzle immediately as soon as we drop those fillets in, which is what we want. And I like using the non-stick Teflon simply because it keeps these fillets moving around, and this really provides an even color, smoother surface so that as they cook they can move around and slide. Plus it's a lot easier to get your fish spatula underneath them. And I like using these fish spatulas simply because they're much thinner, and because they're fluted, there's not a whole lot of resistance, and it's just a lot easier to get up under these fish fillets because you have to be nice and gentle with them. A flat spatula obviously won't bend. This has a natural curvature to it, which allows you to get up underneath the fillets. So it's just a lot of advantages to using one of these. So what we're looking for, because we didn't use the 3-part breading process as we have done in the past, where we did flour, then a milk and an egg wash, and then a final breading of some sort, breadcrumbs, what have you. Because we're just doing flour, it's just a really nice, gentle sear that we're trying to get out of these, and we're just really going for a gold color. And as I said, when we finish these off, we're just going to lightly garnish with some parsley and some lemon slices. And we're actually going to pour over a beurre noisette, and this is a brown butter. And it really is just whole butter in a saute pan, heated to the point that the solids within the butter start to actually turn a little bit golden brown, and you get this real nutty aroma off of the butter. So we'll show you that in a separate video. But for now, we're going to get just a little bit more color out of these. It was just a light brown, so we want to do just a little bit more. And this particular procedure works well for trout because it's a thinner fillet anyhow, and it just facilitates the cooking process. Let's turn those over. Alright, and that is the color pretty much that we're after as far as that goes. Just a tiny bit of gold brown. Just a nice, smooth, clean surface. Again, I use some black pepper, so that's kind of showing through. If you're concerned about your presentation and such, you could go ahead and use just a white pepper so that it wouldn't show through. It's up to you. I don't mind having the black pepper on there because it's fresh ground anyway. So just another minute pretty much on this side and we're going to be done. And we'll keep these warm in the oven. We'll show you the beurre noisette method and garnish these and show you how to make them look nice on a plate.